Mga mag-aaral na Pilipino na magagaling, eto na naman tayo. Mulit nating pag-aralan ang subject-verb agreement. Ayan ang rule. Meron siyang star. Okay. Ano raw ang rule or principle? Sabi, the title of a book is considered singular and is used with the third person present singular verb form. O bakit siya a book? Kasi any book, any title of a book. Let's have an example. Okay? So we have No Limitang Here. You know what No Limitang Here is? The book written by our very own Dr. Jose Rizal was made into a film or movie. Now, alin dito ang subject, ang title of the book? Ito, No Limitang Here. O, alin naman ang verb? Ito yun, was. Ayan, kitang-kita. Next example tayo. Cinderella. Ayan, alam na alam ninyo, ang Cinderella is a reading for children. Oh, which is the title of the book used as the subject? Siyempre, ito yung Cinderella. Ay, mali pala tayo, no? Nakulangan ng R-E. Cinderella. Ayan. Ang verb niya ay is. Last nating example, Harry Potter makes me believe in magic. Again, which is the title of a book used as the subject of Harry Potter. And we use, nagkamali tayo, ayan, we use third person present singular form of the verb or S form of the verb in elementary level. So, ayan, meron na siyang agreement. Na we followed the rule here. The title of a book is considered singular and is used with the third person present singular verb form. Hanggang dito na lamang ulit. Ayan, if you know that this can help your Filipino student, please share, watch, and follow more videos like this.